Exposing the secret to the best breakfast treat, cinnamon roll coffee cake. Here's how to make it. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees and grease a 9x13 baking dish. In a large bowl, whisk together 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. Next, add half a cup of softened butter, 1 cup of milk, 2 eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix until smooth. For the cinnamon filling, combine 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon, half a cup of brown sugar, and optional nuts. Pour half the batter into your dish, sprinkle the cinnamon mix, then cover with the rest of the batter. Swirl with a knife for that marbled magic. Bake for 30–35 minutes. While it cools, whisk together 1 cup of powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of milk, and half a teaspoon of vanilla for the glaze. Drizzle it on top, and voila! Enjoy your delicious cinnamon roll coffee cake.